Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's new paper pattern for English class 9th. First section is objective, comprises of 15 marks, and that 4 options will be given against each statement and you have to choose one. It is from lessons MCQs like statement any from the lesson. So read the lesson thoroughly. Then there would be some a spelling, a synonym, a meaning of a word, antonym, or some exercises like reviews or exercises, question blanks or words from your exercises. These are lessons MCQs. 4 to 5 are these. Then is parts of speech include 2 to 3 your statements, then the spelling, then maybe antonym, they may be the meaning or all these things. Then from parts of speech, grammar and noun, adjective, adverb, what is it. Then is your figure of speech, metaphor, simile related to your poems. Parts and kinds of sentences, like subject, verb, object. Kinds of sentences, simple, compound, complex, or assertive, or all these terms. Tenses, any tense would be given. What is the tense? Like I have past, what 4 options given, whether it is present indefinite, past indefinite, present perfect, past perfect. Then phrases you will do in your book, clauses, gerund, infinitive, participle, everything is given in your book and you have to do all these things. This is of your 15 marks. For this I suggest every student don't get emotional at first looking, oh, this is the right answer. Please wait, first read the paper thoroughly, and if you are 100% you at the first attempt, sure, mark with a pencil, don't use pen for the first time. Then again reread the paper. If rereading, you can find that the mark is not closest, because you are supposed to give the closest answer, even not the closer. So closest answer, this would be right. Then after 100% surety mark, encircle the thing. So wait, be patient in doing your objective paper. After 20 minutes you have to hand over this paper to your examiner. Then comes your section B, that comprises of 40 marks. Answer the following in 30 to 40 words each. 8 questions would be given and you are supposed to do 6 questions. Be precise according to the text. Until and unless your opinion is not asked, don't add yourself other than the text material. Each question carries 3 marks. Suppose you are going to do 6, so 18 marks question. Question number 3 has two parts. Paraphrase the following stanza. Two stanzas will be given with a choice, and you have to paraphrase, not explanation. Simple lines of these three. It comprise 2 would be given. You have to supposed to do 1. It is of 3 marks. Its B part is answer the following sentence questions. A stanza, only one stanza would be given, and related to this stanza, sometimes 3, sometimes 4 questions are asked, and this question is related to the stanza. It may be some figure of speech, it may be the meaning of some word, it may be the explanation of that line from the stanza, any other thing. It may be the synonyms of from these words, it may be the figure of speech from the word. These all are, there are generally 3 questions, maybe 4 questions, 6 questions. So question number 3 is of 9 marks. Then there is a grammar question number 5, that has 3 parts. A part is change in voice. 7 are given, you are supposed to do 5. But I generally suggest students to do which you think they are the best first, and then extra also at the end. So it's 5 marks questions. Change in voice mean maybe active into passive and passive into active. Then you use a correct form of word. B part of the question, maybe the conditional sentences, tenses, or verb is form is given, and you are supposed to use that, like he read study in this school since 1990, has been studying. This is form of the verb. Then C part is punctuation of a line or a paragraph. It is generally mostly from your book. So when you read the lesson thoroughly, read especially the lines with commas and inverted commas. This is 40 marks question. Then is section C, that is application or informal letter. Generally it is informal letter, but we suggest to have some application to the principal also. Sometime they may come. So mostly informal letters, it is of 8 marks. I will upload a video where I will tell you how to write this application or informal letter. Then is paragraph writing in 70 to 80 words. 2 are given. You are supposed to do 1. This is only of 6 marks. So 7 to 80 limit. Some paragraphs are given in your grammar book and some are related to your text. They may be seen or unseen paragraphs. Text may like media, like Qaid-e-Azam, like anything, and mostly are given in your grammar book, like visits and this all these things. Then question number 8 is of the translation into English, sentences translation or tenses translation, active or passive voice both translation. 8 sentences are given. You are supposed to do 6, and with this you have a choice of dialogue writing also. Dialogue writing, it is said in board pattern that 4 to 5 of main conversation between two, if there are dialogue, write dialogue between two main conversation, topic conversation, like don't count hey, hello, how are you, bye, I will act upon this. Main conversation is the main topic. Other than the opening and ending, as I have told you, hey, hi, assalamu alaikum, don't count. Main topic mean what is the topic of the your dialogue, main conversation between benefits or how would you convince other. This is all about your paper pattern for English class 9th for the year 2020-21. Allah Hafiz.